महाराष्ट्र राज्य माध्यमिक शिक्षण मंडळ स्टेट बोर्डच्या 10वीच्या परीक्षेसाठी उजळणीचे व्हिडिओज करायचं काम आपण सुरू केलेलं आहे। या अगोदर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री इयत्ता 10वी प्रतलीय निर्देशक भूमिती त्याचा एक व्हिडिओ पाठवलेला आहे। त्याला जोडून दुसरा पुढचा पार्ट आपण घेत आहोत। आपण त्या प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओ मध्ये वी हॅव सीन दॅट डिस्टन्स ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन, डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम ओरिजिन, what is the formula there? Under root x square plus y square. And what is the another formula? Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. When the coordinates are given, what is that distance formula there? Under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Today let us see how to find out distance of given point from the origin. Suppose question number 1, what are the coordinates there? Suppose minus 5, 12 are the coordinates, and what is the distance of that point from the origin? Origin, let us consider O. So, how to find out distance of A from origin? This is your x, this is your y. By using the distance formula, under root x square plus y square, substitute the value. You can see that minus 5 bracket square plus 12 bracket square. Square the number 25 plus 144. You can add them. It is 169. If possible, find out square root of that number. So distance of A from origin, it is 30. Simple example for single mark. If another point B is there and coordinates are given minus 2, minus 2. What is the distance of this point from origin? Let us calculate distance of B from origin. It is x and y. So x square plus y square under root square root of what is the value? Minus 2 bracket square and minus 2 bracket square. So we can see that what is the square? 4 plus 4. It is under root 8. So distance of B from origin, it will be under root 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2. That is the distance of B from origin. If another example, B point is there and coordinates are minus root 3 and root 2 are the coordinates, what is the distance of this point from origin? Distance of D from origin, same formula, under root x square plus y square. You can use under root x square plus y square. So what is that? Minus root 3 bracket square plus root 2 bracket square. Square the number. You know that it is 3 and it is 2. So what is the distance of D point from origin? It is under root 5. So this is single mark question to calculate distance of given point from the origin. Now let us see another question. What is the question there? Suppose A and B are 2 points there. A and B are 2 points there. What is the distance between A and B? That is the question. See that this is your first point. So consider x1, y1. This is your second point. Consider x2, y2. Use distance formula. by using distance formula. Distance between A and B. What is the formula there? Under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Substitute the distance between A and B like this and substitute under root. What is x2 there? It is minus 2 minus 5 bracket square. Similarly, find out y2 minus y1 bracket square. What is y2 there? Minus 2 minus 12 bracket square. Take the difference here. Negative and this is positive. Minus into minus positive. So minus 2 plus 5 bracket square. And what is here? Minus 2 minus 12 bracket square. See the difference. 5 minus 2, it is 3 square plus both negative. So addition is there. Minus 14 bracket square. You can see that 9 square root of 9. What is the square? And after that you can see that 205. So it is the distance between A and B. Use this formula x2 minus x1 bracket square under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. To calculate distance between 2 points, we have to use the distance formula. Now let us have another example. To calculate distance between 2 points, very interesting distance formula. Single example only. Let us see the another example in this video. Suppose P is the point and coordinates are 1 plus root 2, 5, and B point coordinates are suppose 1 and minus 3. What is the distance? That is problem. So this is your x1, this is y1, this is your x2, this is y2. Use that distance formula. Write down distance between P and P is equal to under root. Write the formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square under root. Substitute properly. What is x2 there? It is 1 minus 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2 bracket square plus what is y2 there? Minus 3 minus 5 bracket square. Now try to simplify. You can see that 1 minus 1 cancellation and minus root 2 bracket square plus what is that? Minus and minus together minus 8 bracket square. See the square there. It is 4 plus 64. So what is that number there? Distance between P and B, you are getting root 70. So this is distance from origin. This formula, it is the distance between 2 points. When the coordinates are given, we are using this formula. Now this is the second video for the topic coordinate geometry. Now in the next video we can see that very interesting examples depending upon the distance formula to calculate what is that circumcenter of a triangle. After that, decide whether the given triangle is right angle triangle or not. After that, 4 points are given, coordinates are given. Decide whether the given quadrilateral is rhombus Is it square, is it rectangle, or is it a parallelogram? So that is the most important part of by using the distance formula. So it will be in the next video. Okay, before that, try to fix two formulae. Number one, distance from origin, and second, distance between 2 points. Okay.